Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, or niños de todo años? Niños de toda la vida. Alright, we're going to do some subtracting where you have to regroup across zeros.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Because we'll still struggle with that a little bit. Many students do. So let's look first at the difference of 716. The difference of 716. Now, obviously, we need to write them. Write them so they're lined up by place values. Write them so they're lined up by place values. Maddie.
Yes.
Can I take 6 from 0?
No.
No. So I need to go next door and regroup, right?
No.
But there's nothing in this next door, right?
So you got
So-
7.
Okay, so I have to go all the way to the hundreds place. Okay? So in my hundreds place, I'm going to take 100, just think of it a $100 bill. I'm going to take a $100 bill and I'm going to change it. So now I only have $600. I can't change the value. So I'm going to make that $100 bill and I'm going to add $10 or 10 tens because that's what it worked. Okay? So now, can I take 6 from 0? No. So now I need to take one of these $10
Make
bills
that a 9 and you put
and make this
a 10.
10 $1 bills. So I'm not changing the value. First, I changed one of my hundreds into 10 tens, and that still didn't work. So then I had 10 10, or then I needed to take one of those tens, so I changed it. Now I have 9 tens. I took one of those tens and traded it in for 10 ones. Value's the same. I still have 6 hundreds, 9 tens, and 10 ones. So the value is still 700. I'm not changing the value. Now, Maddie, 10. The difference of 10 and 6 is 4. Maddie, the difference of 9 and 1 is 8. Maddie, the difference of 6 and nothing else is 6.
Woo! Got it right.
Woo! She got it right. Let's take 8,970 and 739. Let's make that. All right, so now we're going to find the difference between 8,920 and 739. So I got to find the difference. So let's start with my young friend Kendall. Kendall, can I take 9 away from 0? I cannot. So now I have $10 bills over here. I have 2 of them. I don't need both of them. Okay? So I'm going to take, instead of 2 $10 bills, I'm going to take 1. And I'm going to take the other $10 bill and I'm going to trade it in for 10 ones. So now I have 10 ones. Now I'm good. Now I'm good. Because I have 10 $1 bills. And Kendall, can you take 9 of them from me? I dare you. Bring it. Okay, she did. So what's the difference between 10 and 9, Kendall? 1. 1. So now I'm going to the tens place, Kendall. I have 1 $10 bill. I need to subtract 3 $10 bills. So can I do that? No, I cannot do that. So I need to go to my hundreds. Now I have $900 bills. I'm going to change that. I'm going to make it $800 bills, but I don't want to change the value. So I take one of those hundreds and I change it into 10 tens. So now how many tens do I have? I already have 1. And then I'm changing to 10 more. So that gives me a total of. I have 1 and I'm getting 10 more. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, so now I have 11 $10 bills.
Minus 3.
She went in here. And Kendall's taking 3 of those from me. And so what do I have now, Kendall? 8 tens. Can I do the difference of 8 and 7, Kendall?
Yes.
What do I get? And then I don't have anything to take away from the 8 here. 8,181. We're going to do the same thing by adding 4 problems that you can work on and turn in with a parent's signature so that I can give you some credit for being here. Some credit for being here. So let's look at, let's look at 3,500 subtract 120. 9,600 subtract 511. 2,500 subtract 39. So you can do those 3 problems at home. You can use the same piece of paper that you're doing the rounding on. Show your parents how smart you are.
I'm smart.
Bring it to me so I can add some sort of points and keep track of your hard work. Because that's the way I
No. Nuh-uh.
No, bro.
Okay, so do those at home as well. Bring them to me
Voila.
so that I see the rounding.
I can't do it.
Oh my God, no. Here we go again.
I don't want the Apex. I don't want the Apex belt.
Finally, the belt has come back to Mr. McMurdo.
Shut shit.
Boom shakalaka, peace out, God bless.